Hi there, I am Austin. Welcome to Weird Tech Gadgets. Here we have bring you some amazing fun gadgets which passes your time in this lockdown situation at home or anywhere. We will start with number 10, small magnets. You can assemble them into a variety of shapes to meet your imagination while stimulating and exercise your left and right brain hemispheres. They helps in anxiety relief to fidget gadget. These magnets keep you relaxed and your hands busy and away from your phone. These are magnet creative toys for enhancing assembly ability, improve intelligence and imagination. You can build any shapes as you want. These magnets can also be used for stress reliever. The pack contains 5mm set of 216 pieces. You can take it to anywhere to release your stress. Now on number 9 is Flying Ring Launcher for dogs. The Hurric 100+ foot ring launcher is the funniest toy in the world for both you and your dog. Super durable foam rings that use non-toxic materials safety tested for your dog. Believe me, dogs really loves it. This pack contains 1 launcher plus 6 classic rings for a great value. It keeps your dog healthy and active. You can buy it from link in the description below. Number 8, Aura Drone with Glove Controller. Flying a drone just got easier and more amazing than ever with Aura. You are the controller, you have the power. Suit up with the Gesture Gloves controller to fully control your drone using hand commands, superhero style. Glove control eliminates the frustrations of traditional joysticks and multi-axis controls, allowing anyone to fly the first try. Fly forward and backward, left and right, change altitude, and even perform tricks like a sideways flip, all with a simple wave of the hand. Automatic features like auto takeoff, auto hover, and auto landing offer ultimate control for the perfect first flight right out of the box. Built-in height and distance limiters keep the drone under your power and make Aura perfectly suited for indoor use. Safety frame protects the drone from bumps and drops and people from propellers. Multiple Aura drones can be flown at once for fun group play or even racing. The next 7th gadget is Awake Ravic Hoverboard. The timeless design, cutting-edge modular technology, and 4 different rider modes that can be changed by connecting the Awake Ravic to the Awake application, which is available for iPhone and Android, provides the rider with a premium experience. The wide tail and sharp edges of the Awake Ravic provides a stable and high-performance experience to anyone who is looking for a great ride without compromising stability and ease of use. Here is 6th gadget, Razor Jet's heel wheels. Blaze around town in the Razor Jet's heel wheels, strap-on wheels, that actually set off sparks as you skate. The fiery action starts when you zoom around in the jets and shift your weight toward your heels. The spark pads come in contact with the ground and create an awesome display. The hook and loop straps are a cinch to take on and off, but are sturdy enough to keep you in place as you fly down the street. The durable 50mm urethane wheels with 88A hardness and the sealed bearings make the jets an ultra-durable product. The spark pads are easily removable and replaceable. Now here it is, fifth one, HoverSeat sitting attachment for hoverboard. Introducing new product that converts a standard hoverboard into an ingenious hands-free mini electric vehicle. We created patent-pending HoverSeat to solve the problems typically associated with hoverboards, and we have created a new fun mode of transport that virtually anyone can drive. As well as being easy for any age to steer and operate, the HoverSeat is comfortable, versatile and has many practical uses. The hoverboard card is a light aluminium frame which fits easily in the trunk of the car. When you want to use it, simply attach it to the bar in the center of your hoverboard with the specially adapted clamp, and then choose what you would like to go on top of your unique mini vehicle. Number 4. Rubber Gameboy Keyring. The Pocket Sprite is an ultra-portable retro gaming console that lets you play everything. It's been engineered to be highly playable, easy to use, easy to update, and designed to let you pick up where you left off and put it down again. Pocket Sprite comes pre-loaded with emulators, allowing you to play every single game you love. It's perfectly pocket-sized and powers on instantly, right where you left off. Slip it onto your keyring or on your backpack and pull it out when things get boring. Now moving to third gadget, air-powered adult Pogo stick. When it comes to Pogo stick design, the V4 is without question the most advanced Pogo stick ever made. We took the traditional spring Pogo stick and tossed it in the trash years ago. Since then, we've been creating Pogo sticks that use our patented air spring instead of a metal spring. Springs are cool and all, but they can't be quickly adjusted to accommodate different weight riders, they're heavy, and they just don't have what it takes to jump high. One of our favorite things about the V4 is that a 300-pound adult can use the exact same Pogo stick as an 80-pound kid. Because the V4 uses air pressure, you can tune it to your exact preference in less than a minute by pumping it up to jump higher or taking air out to jump lower. Some people like to bounce 1 to 2 feet high and use the V4 for exercise, while others like to do flips off of rooftops. On number 2, here we have Rolling Stick. Makuru is the unique and inventive desk toy that's easy to flip, roll and do tricks with, giving you endless possibilities of fun. Makuru is an amazing desk toy crafted with quality beech wood. It has a simple design with endless possibilities that will test your creativity and dexterity. Catch and hold it on your hand after you flip Makuru. Turn it 360 degrees and make it stand up straight. After you've mastered that, try your hand at the expert 5 moves in which you use a single hand to flip 5 of the toys at the same time. And finally, the number 1 is Manta's Hydrofoiler. The world's first water bike that replicates the cycling experience on water. Using the same technology as America's Cup sailboats, this hydrofoil e-bike opens up a whole new cycling frontier. Suitable for a wide range of fitness levels, riders can explore ocean coastlines, train along waterways, or cruise lakeside with friends and family. Its variable pedal assist can be dialed up or down to fit your needs. Its top speed of up to 12 miles per hour, similar to traditional sailboats. Modular design for quick assembly and transport to and from the water. So how was these time pass gadgets? You can buy your favorite one by following link in the description box. Please like video and share with your friends. Subscribe to this channel Weird Tech Gadgets for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.